Hey, it's Dude. That's the crew. Or Wild Waters. Water sliding and wild watering. You come crew with us too. Buenos Days crew. Here we are at Wild Waters. Now we just gotta pick a place to sit at. Can we swim in there? Ah, why not?
That looks like a lake from like Florida or something.
It does look like a lake from Florida. You could fish in there though. Okay, walking in from the entrance and then taking a right toward this way, bordering this little pond. Lake. I believe there's seating this way. We don't have a reserved cabana. Last year we were in one of the cabanas facing the kiddie area.
Oh, it's alive.
It is alive. It's not venomous. A corn snake. How is it not venomous? Pick it up and
Yeah.
should I pick it up? No.
That's cool.
Cool. We are putting on the sunscreens and then let's get out there. Let's switch to the GoPro because I don't think this would be good in water. Oh, before I switch over, there's no one in this whole area. We're in pretty much the very far back of Wild Waters. Oh, there he goes. There's Jason. So no one really comes back here. Maybe later on in the day when no one can find... Wake up. Wake up. Maybe when no one can find any more spots over there, then people will come migrate this way. But the cool thing, we got fans. That's awesome. Good amount of fans. Let's get on our first
I thought it was way taller.
slide. I don't like that one.
Why do I remember that one being
Whoa!
way taller?
Pretty tall to me. Jason said let's go into this raft one over here. So we'll do that. So up this way is for these mat slides, and then you have to wait right here in line to get your big raft. It's only 2 to 3 people.
Oh, my toe. There it is. My toe.
Whoa! That was cold. Oh my gosh. That is colder than I anticipated.
Yes.
Whoa. There it is. Here comes the final one. Here comes Noah and Philip. I think they're a bit stuck. Hey! This one, the purple one, used to be a game that you would get high scores. They would show it on the TV right here. The boards were very much different than what they use now. It's an inner tube, but there are boards like this with buttons. You'd place your board right there and you could pick the song that plays as you go down the slide. But again, they don't do that now. It's just a regular dark inner tube slide. Whoa. It's almost gonna be like Space Mountain. Pretty much just all dark. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Almost fell over. Oh man. There he is. Yeah, Ethan just said there's a really sharp turn. It's this one right here. So you do that drop right there. You feel yourself go whoa, and then turn, boom.
And then said I was gonna fall out.
I thought I was gonna flip over too. Back up the hill to do the blue one. There he goes, there he goes. Whee! was a cool one. Way longer than that first one that we did. Jason said that it felt like he was going up, not down. It goes on that turnaround. That was a cool one. Now we're gonna do this one right here. Oh, he got launched. Taking out our mats. Hey dude, hey bro, let's go ride the slides. Yeah, chaw. That's right, I got my orange board. Oh, these turns. Oh, that's the one. Oh, that turn. Oh, you catch speed here. Oh, oh, oh. It's just another turn. Oh my, I got stuck. Oh my God. That's the same thing that happened to me. I don't know if I got that quick enough. You alright, bro? Oh, these turns, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. These turns are no joke. Now I'm slowing down. I don't know why I'm slowing down. Jason's gonna crash into me. Oh my gosh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, why are these turns so violent? Jeez, why? I was gonna do standalone POVs for this, but I don't think that's a good idea with hearing me say, oh, there's Jason.
Whoa! Whoa! I got stuck. Oh. Ooh, holy.
There's this other slide, the yellow one. There you go. Come on, shooting like a bullet. And here is their snack bar. Funnel cake, but here's another one right there. And the bar. Oh, my bad. And the bar is over there. There is. Jason? Sure. Oh, this ground hurts. This ground hurts. Ouch. No one fell over this way already. You know, I bring these kids to the water park, and a bunch of times all they want to do is chill in the wave pool or the pool, a regular pool. The water slides are like, I'm not really into it. I don't get it. Back over here, the dudes wanted to chill in the wave pool for a while. What do we got in the cooler? In that cooler, we got water, Coke, oranges, chicken salad stuff. But we also got snacks. Chips, Pringles, more chips. Forks, of course, that's a must. Paper towels, of course, a must. We got some little bites, gummies, more gummies, like gummy worm stuff, and then gummy bears. Bread, of course, and we might get like a snack around from here too. So last year I did this. I had POVs while I recorded the same thing that I'm hoping I'm gonna get. I'm gonna make sure right now actually. I'm gonna download all the clips before anything happens, because last year I recorded on slides, recorded all our day here at Wild Waters, and it was corrupt files. I don't know what the heck happened, so I'm gonna go through these clips right now, download them, make sure I got them for sure. Probably gonna make myself a sandwich, but yeah, this first. We did it. All stuff so far as of right now, downloaded, we're good. Something tells me, I don't know why, the dudes are gonna come right now and be like, we're hungry. Is that a spider on? That's a spider. That's a fancy spider on the towel. Oh look, he's looking at us. He's looking at you, crew. And there's my already been eaten chicken salad sandwich. I make my own chicken salad. It's a Dude's Water Park classic. This is something I normally make when we go to the water park, and the kids surprisingly look forward to it. And look who came coming on right now. I said like 3 minutes ago, watch it, these are gonna come right now. Snake friend came back. You gotta get out of here. There's nothing for you to eat. There's a bunch of birds. So as of right now, it's 1:38. Still no one. We've had close calls. There's been a few people who have surprisingly walked over this way, and they're like, but then they move off somewhere else. Alright crew, we're gonna head out of here. It's been a fun day, sliding, hanging out. Now let's go home. Cavana. Hot recording. Back up to hill.